G'day, it's Colin from Worth, and what I've got here is our brand new foaming pump bottle. You all know our other pump bottles which get used all over different industries. This one produces, as it says, foam. So if you want to wash your vehicle and have a foaming sudsy finish, or you want to use something like our active glass cleaner, this pump bottle is perfect. Put the product in, pump it up and push the trigger and away you go. But the other fantastic thing about this pump bottle is it does come with extra nozzle inserts, which give you different levels of foaming depending on the products you're using. It's really simple to replace them. You just take the nozzle off with a quick twist, grab the little filter out, and as I said, what comes with the bottle, what's supplied with it, is extra nozzles here. So what we'll do now is we'll go downstairs and we'll see the pump bottle in action and we'll use these different spray nozzles. So we've seen the Worth 1.5 litre foaming pump bottle in action. Don't forget, it comes with the different nozzles for different foam levels. So now you can add this to your collection of Worth pump bottles for those foaming products that you need. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.